Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to do this orangey yellowish look. I really don't know what to call it. So as you guys saw, I started off with the light yellow and I decided to put it in my crease as the transition color. And I just will blend it and blend it until I get it where I want it to be. Okay, moving on, I'm gonna go back into the palette and go into this somewhat darker yellow and then put it in the same place just to deepen the yellow, and then I just blend it in with the other yellow. And yeah, you're gonna keep hearing me say yellow because I don't know what else to call them when they're different shades of yellow. Okay, next we're gonna add this orange color into the crease. Now the other two yellows were actually the transition color. Now this orange color is actually gonna be in the crease. Now I'm going to go back in with both of the yellow shades and use them to blend in both of the orange and the yellow shades. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my Better Skin Super Stay Concealer from Maybelline and the shade Light Medium, and I'm gonna cut the crease. I then go in with my CoverGirl concealer. I'm not sure the name of it, but it's in the shade Pale, just to make it more wider and it'll be easier to put in the colors on my eyelid. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this small brush and go in with the really light yellow that's like more like neon yellow and put it in my inner corner, and then I'm gonna add the first yellow shade next to it and then the darker and then the orange. It's gonna keep on going like that, and I'm gonna blend that in together with a reddish toned eyeshadow.
우리 모두가 땡 누가 끝발이 좋던 간에 나는 땡전에 상관하네 honey 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 이 음악은 동의 앞에 왜 알고 올리겠지만 네 주장이 다 맞아 우리 망해가고 있네 불본 네 덕분이야 우리 왜 아무도 없네 우리 망해가고 있기에 고맙다 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 그치껏 무시해줘 고맙다 덕분에 스타디움 덤빌보다 많은 것을 덕분에 많이도 얻었다 잠깐 내사 친구들아 너네가 곧 되겹이 되게 우린 앞으로 바람대로 또 망할 길에 계속 걱정해줘 18, 13, 38 다이 유로 미라 잘봐 다이 하기 좀 올려라 다이 이번 생은 글렀어 너 다이 18, 13, 38 땡 유로 미라 잘봐 땡 잠깐만 멈춰봐 땡 이번 생은 글렀어 넌 땡 뼛속에 산소리 땡 어릴 적 좋아함 얼음 땡난 띵동 넌 땡 넘칠 끝난 땡 라면 먹고 잔 얼굴 땡 널거지들 두열 땡날 반한
Like I said before, I am going in with this blending brush to blend in all the colors with this reddish shadow on the outer corner of my eye. Next, I'm going in with my white liquid liner from NYX, and I'm putting it on my crease, on where I cut the crease exactly. And throughout the whole video clip, I didn't realize I was actually out of frame in most of the parts, so I am really sorry guys because of that. I actually already added my primer, which was from Wet n Wild Dewy Luminix, and it was a tinted primer, and then I go in with my Naked Skin Urban Decay foundation in the shade 6, and I just blend that all over my face. And then I go into my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Light, and I put that under my eyes and the bridge of my nose, and then I just blend that away. Then I use my Airspun loose face powder in translucent to set under my eyes. I then go in with my City Color blush, and I just add that in with a fluffy brush. I don't actually know the name of the brush, so I will have all the products listed down below for you guys to check out. Then go in with my contouring palette from e.l.f. and contour my face a little bit. I didn't add a lot of contour because I kind of stopped doing that. I don't really like contouring that much. I prefer blush over contour. Now I'm gonna add my highlighter from e.l.f. in the shade Blush Gems. Decided to spray my e.l.f. brush with my Wet n Wild Natural Finish Setting Spray just to make the highlighter a little bit more intense, and then I add it to the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Last, I go in with my BH Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Rosy Ray. And that's the last step to my makeup tutorial, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys next time with my new video. And also, I have a new channel dedicated to my Korean learning and my Korea vlogs, which, just so you guys know, I am going to Korea soon. So everything will be listed down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!